Welcome back. Today we're diving into the wild, wonderful world of mangoes. This isn't just about their sweet taste. Mangoes are packed with history, secrets, and surprises. They're more than a fruit. They're a cultural icon, a historical artifact, and a nutritional powerhouse. So grab a mango if you have one and get ready to discover some facts that will blow your mind. Let's peel back the layers and jump right in. When you stroll through the produce aisle, what fruits catch your eye first? Do you think apples with their crisp bite, or bananas, the grab-and-go snack, rule the fruit world? These are definitely popular contenders. Think again. While those fruits are certainly staples in many diets, there's another fruit quietly dominating global consumption. Mangoes are actually the most widely consumed fruit on the planet, surpassing apples and bananas by a significant margin. It's a testament to their incredible flavor and versatility. They're not just popular, they're an absolute global superstar, enjoyed in countless countries and cultures. From street vendors in Mumbai, offering a quick and delicious treat, to desserts in New York, where chefs craft elegant mango dishes, mangoes connect billions of people through their shared love of this amazing fruit. They're not just a treat, they're a daily staple in many parts of the world, providing essential nutrients and a burst of flavor. Mangoes aren't just food. They're also a cultural celebration in many countries, featured in festivals and ceremonies. Mangoes have been winning hearts for centuries, with evidence of cultivation dating back thousands of years. They've adapted to every cuisine and culture, seamlessly integrating into both sweet and savory dishes. So next time you see a mango, whether it's at your local grocery store or in a far-off land, remember, it's the true heavyweight champion of the fruit world, a global icon of deliciousness. That's the power of mango mania, a phenomenon that spans continents and cultures. Mangoes, with their vibrant colors and intoxicating aroma, have captivated civilizations for millennia. Their story stretches back for over 4,000 years, a testament to their enduring appeal and resilience. Imagine the countless seasons they've weathered, the generations they've nourished. The journey of the mango begins in the lush landscapes of South Asia, where it first took root and flourished. This region provided the ideal climate and conditions for the mango to thrive, becoming an integral part of the local culture and cuisine. Ancient Sanskrit texts, preserved through the ages, lovingly referred to them as amra, a name imbued with reverence and affection. These texts elevated the mango to a symbol of abundance and delight, considering it the food of the gods, a fruit worthy of divine consumption. Driven by a desire to share its goodness, Buddhist monks embarked on journeys, spreading mango seeds across Asia, nurturing its growth in new lands. They recognized the mango's value, both as a source of sustenance and a symbol of prosperity. As trade routes expanded, traders, eager to introduce exotic flavors, carried them even further, facilitating the mango's global expansion. In the age of exploration, Portuguese explorers, driven by curiosity and a thirst for new discoveries, brought them to South America, planting the seeds for a new chapter in the mango story. Simultaneously, they introduced the mango to the Philippines in the 16th century, where it quickly became a beloved staple. Every bite of mango is more than just a taste sensation. It's a taste of history, a connection to the past. It's a fruit that's traversed continents and centuries, adapting and thriving in diverse environments. It's not just a snack, it's a cultural artifact, a symbol of heritage. It's a living link to the ancient world, a reminder of the interconnectedness of cultures and the enduring power of nature. Did you know there are over 1,000 varieties of mangoes? They come in every shape, size, and color, tiny to giant, green to purple. Each has its own flavor, from honey sweet to tangy and spicy. Famous varieties like Alfonso, Carabao, and Kent have devoted fans. Trying new mangoes is like exploring a delicious global family tree. Next time you see a new variety, give it a try. You might find your favorite. Here's a wild fact. Mangoes are related to cashews and pistachios. All three belong to the Anacardiaceae family. Yes, even poison ivy is a distant cousin. The mango skin contains urushiol, the same compound that causes poison ivy rashes. Most people are fine, but some get mild reactions from the skin or sap. So, mangoes, nuts, and poison ivy, one big quirky botanical family. Nature is full of surprises. When you think of vitamin C, what's the first fruit that comes to mind? Chances are it's the humble orange. Oranges have long been celebrated for their high vitamin C content. But did you know that mangoes actually pack more vitamin C per cup than oranges? It's true. This tropical delight is a hidden gem when it comes to this essential nutrient. 1 cup of mango gives you nearly 70% of your daily vitamin C needs. That's a significant boost to your immune system, all from one delicious serving. It's an easy and tasty way to ensure you're getting enough of this vital vitamin. But the benefits don't stop there. They're also loaded with vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision and supporting cell growth. And let's not forget folate, an essential B vitamin that plays a key role in cell division and DNA synthesis. Plus, mangoes are a great source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. And to top it all off, mangoes are bursting with powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Eating mangoes is not just a treat for your taste buds, it's a delicious way to boost your immune system and keep your body functioning at its best. The vitamins and antioxidants in mangoes also contribute to vibrant and healthy skin. It's a natural beauty boost from the inside out. So next time you're looking for a way to increase your vitamin intake, reach for a mango. It's a simple and enjoyable way to nourish your body. It's a sweet treat that's secretly a nutritional powerhouse, packed with goodness that will leave you feeling energized and revitalized. Mangoes aren't just popular, they're national treasures. They're the official national fruit of India, Pakistan, and the Philippines. In India, mangoes symbolize love and tradition. In Pakistan, they're a source of pride and celebration. The Philippines' Carabao mango is even listed as the world's sweetest. For these countries, mangoes are more than food. They're a symbol of heritage and unity. That's international fruit fame. In India, even mango leaves are sacred. Mango leaves decorate weddings and ceremonies, believed to bring luck and ward off evil. They symbolize prosperity and blessings for new beginnings. Mango leaves are used in religious rituals, showing deep respect for the whole tree. The mango isn't just eaten, it's revered as a giver of life and good fortune. It's a spiritual symbol rooted in tradition. And that's a wrap on our mango adventure. From ancient roots to global fame, mangoes are truly extraordinary. Which fact surprised you most? Share your favorite mango story in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more amazing facts. Thanks for watching. See you next time.